Hello everybody, welcome. Now yes, I'm back to cooking. Thank God I feel a lot better, which is great. So we're just going to go back to the school dinners today. So I haven't cooked really for a week, because I've been ill. So we'll get back to these. Now, what are we going to do? Well, that's up to the wheel, isn't it? And this bloody wheel has been terrible to me. It's been all bad stuff most of the time. So fingers crossed, we get something decent. So we know the score by now. Let's get to the wheel. Do it as if it's live, so there's no cheating. I think you can see that. Maybe got you a little bit more, maybe. There we go. Let's give it a spin. Come on, wheel, give me something nice. Give me something nice. Something nice, please, please, please. Shepherd's pie. I like shepherd's pie, so I'm not too bad with that one. Shepherd's pie, that's a good one. School dinner shepherd's pie. And I do like shepherd's pie. Bonus. Right, I'll remove that one. Yes, I'm happy with that. Shepherd's pie. Lovely. Let's get you back down. Now I'm going to have a look at the book on this shepherd's pie one, because I want to see if you have salt and everything, because a lot of this is no salt in these stuff. In this recipe, where's shepherd's pie now? Page 15. Butter, mixed herbs, so you got a bit of seasoning in there. Can't see any salt on there though. But there's all the ingredients, if you can see it. And that's how you make it. So it's got to be made to instructions, so you know what I mean? It's got to be made to as the recipe says. So, off to the shop. Right, I'm back from the shop. Let me show you what I got. A couple of greens I already have in the cupboard, so I weren't going to buy them. So let me show you. Right, I got everything prepared. I already got done the potatoes. I've peeled them and put them on the stove already, so the potatoes are there. So I got, well, 400 gram mince, but it's 475, so it's good enough. I got an onion chopped up. I've also got 4 carrots. Well, I haven't got 4, I've got 3 because they're quite big, the carrots I had. So I've just done 3. Garlic cloves. No, I've got garlic thingy because it's easier. Still the same, it's already done for you. 400ml of stock, which I've done. I think 400ml is going to be quite a lot, but that's what it says in the instructions. I'm going to do half a ton of chunky chopped tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of Worcester. 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Potatoes I've got on the thingy already. And 25 gram of butter. And cheese optional, which will go on the top, obviously. Well, first things first, it says preheat the oven 180. Don't forget it's as instructions. And brown the meat in a large frying pan, which I've got. Add the onions, garlic, carrots and cook fully until the onions goes translucent. So we'll do that first. So I'll get the oven on. Well, I've got the hob on and the oven's on. And just let that warm up a couple of minutes. Well, I'm going to open the mince. I'm going to get the mince in. Brown the mince as it says. Nice sizzle, good start. Right, that's done. I did drain it. It was quite a lot of fat on there, so I've drained the fat off, but I ain't having that anyway. Doesn't say it in the book, but I ain't doing that. It says get the carrots in and the onions. Get it in. Don't be shy. I want 2 cloves of this, it says. That's about 2 teaspoons roughly. Get it on. 1, 2 of that. Carrots, onions, yeah. And then just wait for the onions to go translucent. Mix it together. Bring you back when that's done. Right, them onions are just starting to go translucent now. I don't want to do it too much, because I don't want the onions burning. So now I stick the stock in, and the tomatoes. I think this 400ml is going to be way too much. I don't think I might. No, I've got to do what the instructions say anyway. 400ml of that. 1/2 a tin of tomatoes. I'm recording anyway, yeah, just checking. Yeah, it's about 1/2 a tin there. Mix that together first. Very watery, man. Just got to think it down though, but then I want add the Worcester sauce and the mixed herbs. So I want 2 tablespoons of Worcester. One, 2. And I want 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. That's the only thing that's going in there, that's seasoning, so. Right, there we go. Give it a mix. Bring to the boil. Right, that's boiling now. So I'm going to simmer that down. That's going to go on for half an hour. In the meantime, I'm going to get the spuds on. And once it's all evaporated and the spuds are done, we'll mash it all up and get it in a bowl. Right, potatoes are done. The stuff at the back's virtually done. It's still a bit watery. I'm going to drain the spuds out. Hot. And I'm going to get me 25 gram of butter. I don't know whether this can be enough butter, not in a million years. It doesn't even say putting milk or cream or anything in it, so that bit of butter there. And I'm going to mash away. See what happens. Bring you back when it's done. It's very dry, this mash, you know. Very dry. It's not going to be very creamy. Right, everything's done. It's gone really dark in this house and it's going to pour it down outside. I'm going to get all this in. It looks quite nice, it's thickened up a bit now. Just get it all in, pile it in. Don't be scared. Ignore the mess. Get it in, not much there. Could have used a smaller bowl, but oh well. Then we get spread the mash on. Where's the mash? They see in it. Let's use a spoon. So there's not even any salt in this mash. Get the mash on. Right, that's done. I don't know about this mash though. I'll get some cheese on it now. Cheese will make it better. Anyway. Cheese is optional, they say in the book. But I'm putting it on because there's no salt in here. There you go, in the oven for half an hour. Right, while that's cooking, it's got about 10 minutes left. I've just had a parcel come. So I'm going to open it. I think I know what it is. If it's not mine, then obviously it's saying that. But I think this is mine. She's standing there making a coffee. I don't suppose disabled people can make coffees, can they? Yeah. Say hello. You're not going to say hello, you're just going to wave. Right, I'm not going to show you the front of it because it's got the address and everything on. Yes, it's mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on. Right, give me a second. So I'm out the way, can't see me in a minute. Oh, it's good material. Oh, hold on. Let's get it on. Thicknesses.
Well, just in it. That's good. I like that. That's cool.
You ready? Turn me back.
That's cool.
Yeah, turn me back.
You're in.
Am I in?
Yeah.
Chris the Butcher. I've had to get one. I'll tell you what, these are really good quality. Let me put that camera down a little bit. I've had to get myself one. So I can thank you for giving me a shout out. Let me put it down a bit, I can't see it properly. There it is. And I'll tell you what, I had to get a 3XL so I didn't know how big the sizes was. It's a fraction big for me, but I'm a fat kit anyway. But I'll tell you what, they're bang on. So Chris, I'm going to be wearing this on quite a few of my videos. Just to give you a bit of a shout out, mate. Just to say thank you. So there we go, if you don't know Chris, go and subscribe, it's free. Chris the Butcher, I'll leave a link in his channel anyway. It's nice, isn't it? Feel that? Stick in it.
Oh, that's good. That's nice.
There you go. So I just thought I'd do that. It's just come now. It took about a week to come. So there we go. Back to the food. It'll be about another 10 minutes, I think, or something. Right, it's done. And it looks nice. There it is. It does look nice. Obviously, I ain't about to taste it. Yeah, it's going to be too hot. But yeah. You can see the bottom. What I'll do, I'll let it cool down a few minutes. I'll dish it up. And I'll try it. I'm not going to have any. I was going to do some vegetables with it. But we're just going to have that because we mean that still feel a little bit groggy. So we don't overdo our bellies. So I'll let it cool down. Then I'll dish it. Right, it's cooled down for about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to take the edges away. Mmm. Nice and crispy cheese on the top. We love shepherd's pie, I say, but I'm concerned about the spuds with no salt on or anything. But so let's have a look if we can get in here. I need I'm going to burn my hands. I don't want to be burning my hands again, do I? Don't want to be doing that. Move my light. Let's get this in. There it is, very dry look. But I remember right, that looks like school dinner. I should have made some homemade gravy with this, I might have to. Put a bit more juicier than that. Mmm. Yeah, I might have to make some gravy and some veg in that with that, I think. But we'll give that a taste test on its own before we have our dinner. I mean, it's boiling off anyway, so. There's not much juice in. I thought it'd be more juice than that because there's quite a lot of juice in there. You can tell the salt, but to be fair, I think that isn't far off. Bland, heartwarming but very bland. That's going to kill me, innit, all that cheese. I don't think that's far off the school dinner. But there's no seasoning in it whatsoever. Plain, simple. Making myself 100 times better than that, but that's not what it's about, is it? But there we go. I think we'll have some extra gravy with that with ours, and I might do some veg with it. We've got some steamed veg somewhere. Microwave steamed things, we've got some of them, I'll do some of them. So anyway, thank you for watching. It's good to be back. Still a bit, but I'm okay. So if you do like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye. I'll leave a link to Chris's channel down below. And subscribe to him, it's free. Yeah, well, I ate mine, and to be fair, the more I ate, it was quite nice. I had to put gravy on it, put a bit of salt on, but it was quite nice. So I will give that a thumbs up. It's a little bit bland at first, but once you get into it, and with some extra gravy, it's quite nice. What do you think, Bab? I mean, that's had seconds, so...
I like it. The only thing I'm not too keen on is the potato.
Is the potato.
But
there's nothing there.
And the salt.
Just mash really, wasn't it? A bit of butter.
But I think that's...
Potatoes and butter.
I think that's to blame for today's cooking, not in the past. But I'd eat this again. But I had to put gravy on it.
We had to put gravy on it.
And like you said, the more you ate, the nicer it was. And it's quite nice,
actually. So it was quite nice. I mean, that might be just be us, because we haven't ate for days, because we've been not very well, so... But we enjoyed it, to be fair, didn't we?
I like it, I do.
Yeah. So there we go. Just a quick one at the end there. See you later. Bye-bye.